Hey guys, welcome back to DIY with Max. In today's video, we're gonna go over how to remove this kitchen floor tile. Let's get started.
I started by removing the floor carpet trim and the tile trim in the doorway. Because my subfloor is a very brittle, lightweight concrete, I wanted to make sure to use the least destructive method possible to remove the tile. I opted for three basic tools that every household should have: a 3-inch multi-purpose painter's tool, a medium-sized crowbar, and a hammer. After getting through about half the room, I had the process dialed in. Here's an up-close shot of how it all works. My tile removal technique is very basic. I hammer in the painter's tool along the edge of the grout line to separate the mortar from the concrete subfloor. This also lifts the tile slightly to make room to insert the crowbar and use it as a lever to pry up the tile. Initially, I tried to use only the crowbar, but because the edge of it is so thick, I was having a hard time hammering it under the tile and was damaging the concrete subfloor. So I decided to try loosening the tile down a whole row before removing them to save some trips out of the kitchen. And as you can tell, that worked out pretty well. I'm going to leave the tile under the appliances and remove them when we demo the rest of the kitchen. In hindsight, I would recommend removing the appliances out of the room before removing the tile. Who could have guessed that a giant fridge will not slide so well on a rough concrete floor? Please learn from my mistakes. I make them in my projects, so you don't have to. Another piece of advice that I will pass on is if you're renovating a condo like we are, make sure you find out how your association wants you to dispose of construction materials in these large quantities. Otherwise, you may be on the hook for some fines. Now that the instructions are out of the way, sit back and enjoy the rest of the satisfying tile removal. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, helps out the channel. And if you have another method of removing the tile, please leave it in the comments below. I'm always looking for more efficient ways to get stuff done.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're notified when more of our videos come out. If you have any questions or want to see any specific video, put them in the comments below, and if it's on our project plan, we will definitely make a video about it. We're looking forward to bringing you more content. We'll see you guys in the next one.